Hello people, welcome to IndieTechGeeks.in review video of Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. This is Ashtray from IndieTechGeeks.in and today we'll be checking out Samsung's mini version of Samsung Galaxy S4. Well, the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini was the flagship of the Samsung, which proved a very much success for the company, and the company then decided that they should make the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini available to lower markets, but then they decided to launch the mini version of the handset with reducing the features and maintaining the consistency and the superiorness of the handset. So they launched the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini, and today it is present in the market at a price point of about 23,000 rupees. So today we'll be checking the new handset. Okay, so first let me get you to the outer look of the handset. So from checking the background, we will see that here is the Samsung Galaxy Samsung's branding, and here is the 8 LED flash and 8 megapixel camera, and here is the Duos branding and speakers, same back as Samsung Galaxy S4 possess. Then on the this side we have the only the power button, so that nothing done by Samsung here, because Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini possess the same side power button and same side kind of thing. On this side we have volume rockers, and on under side we have the charging point, and on the above we have 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so now on the front we have the Samsung branding, earpiece, couple of sensors and front facing camera. Well, let's talk about the specifications. The specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini is it possesses a 4.3-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 960 into 540 with 256 ppi, and its RAM is near about 1.5 GB, but you get only 1.3 for usage. Then the processor of Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini is Snapdragon 400 with 1.7 GHz. Okay, so now let's get into the interface. This is the standard Samsung Galaxy S4 interface, nothing special here. And on the inside we have, let me just, yeah, here is the main interface of the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. So nothing done by Samsung here to like Samsung Galaxy S4. The main thing from the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini and Samsung Galaxy S4 that they have reduced many features like AirPlay, like gestures. Main gestures are removed from Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini, but they have just retained the design and the structure of the handset, but the size of the handset is very small. When you will hold it in your hand, it seems to be very small. So now let me just get into the settings. Yeah, here it is, about device, and you can see that it runs on Android 4.2.2. okay, so this is the Samsung's Jelly Bean version. So now I will get into the menu options, and you can see the total touch width. Well, the overall performance of the device seems to be very impressive, but the Samsung has done many new things to bring the Samsung Galaxy S4 to the lower versions and to the lower market, but we can see that they have missed something that people wanted to have, like the gestures. The main part of the Samsung Galaxy S4 was the gestures that it possessed, but all those things have been removed from the handset. So little bit of disappointment at that point, but overall performance of the handset is very good. The specifications of the handset are very good, and the rest of the things. So that was a short review from our side of the design and the rest of the things and hardware specifications of the handset. We will be giving a gaming review on the same, with high quality games and low quality games, with the benchmark scores also. So stay tuned for that and check out our Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini giveaway on our website. So don't miss that and stand a chance to win. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. This is Ashraf for Indie Tech Geeks.